Welcome to a peaceful glimpse into the lives of birds in their natural habitat. Among the featured moments is the majestic Indian eagle owl. Calmly perched, releasing scat, and displaying a remarkable behavior, closing one eye fully while keeping the other partially open. This rare sight offers a fascinating look into how birds rest with half their brain still alert. Captured at Dharmavana Nature Ark, each scene celebrates the quiet beauty of wildlife in its purest form.